Okay, welcome back everyone. So this is going to be part 73 of our trading series. We have 51,517 in equity on our account. We have 43 positions opened. We did start about 3 months ago with 10K, so we 5x'd our account. And to be transparent, we can take a look at the P&L. So recent 120 days, let's do a bar chart, and there you see it. Every single day I had positions on. So I'm not just cherry picking. I've been in trades every single day. This is for the last 120 days, last 90 days, last 60 days, and yeah, today we're down 800. In the last 7 days we're up 3.8k, etc. I think I'm the only one that I know, at least, who shares all of the P&L and the track record live with you guys. Everyone else that I know is either not sharing it, demo trading, hedging their longs and shorts on different accounts, so that way whichever one is in profit, they'll show you that one. But either way, that's how I like to be. I like to share losses as well. As you would have seen, we had a few periods down here where we had a drawdown, like a pretty decent drawdown. I mean, we were still up 17k from the peak. We went up from 27 to 17k or 16k, so we're down just like 10, 11k in that period. But overall, we're doing well, right? We're doing well. We, at the moment, have... I'm just checking the stats on my screener. Our net exposure is about 15k long. So overall, the market, we've got a slight long bias, but we have, you can see, a bunch of longs, and we also have a bunch of shorts as well. So I like to hedge my shorts with longs. So just long short pair trading. And yeah, I entered a couple of positions a few minutes ago. Let's see, order trade history. Just checking the dates. Yeah, there we go. So I entered solo long, soon long, and BOBBS and M coin. So I entered 4 longs just a few minutes ago. So 4k, 2k, 2k, 2k. I like those coins. Like, let's go on solo, for example. Yeah, so solo, even though it pumped a lot, it looks like it's just grinding up higher. So I'm just going with momentum and with trend. Simple as that. But yeah, I'm not gonna... So these videos, the whole point of them is just to update you on my progress. If you want more details and like why I enter certain positions and how I trade, you're gonna have to enter the Telegram chat, which is free. Just have to trade on one of the exchanges that I link in the description below the video. And yeah, that gives you access to these indicators as well that I use for finding trends and reversals. Right, at the moment, let's do a quick market recap. Let's do a quick review. Okay, so BTC, and I'm going to keep this concise because I end up repeating what I say every video because the trend macro narrative doesn't really change, but nonetheless. So massive uptrend on the longer term scale for BTC. Any dips are for buying, right? Any dips are for buying. The indicator I have, green line, is a good buying opportunity right here. Every time price touches the green line, you buy. Simple as that. And yeah, it works reverse for when we have a downtrend. Every time we touch the red line, you sell. Given we're in a macro uptrend, I would ignore shorting. I would only just be buying. BTC. That's what I would be doing personally. So BTC looks pretty good, right? It looks pretty good. So is it too late to enter here? Not really. If your target is like 150K, if you think prices are gonna break out, then no, not really. I'm still 50-50 on what's gonna happen. I'm not sure. I don't think my job is predicting what the future holds. It's more just reacting to undervalued and overvalued prices. That's mostly what I want to be good at. Much easier to do that than to predict what's going to happen in the future. So BTC looking good, right? I think if you're just a long-term investor, buying here is not a bad shout. Not a bad shout at all. Okay, gold. So I've been buying gold on dips, as you guys know. If you've been following me, every time we touch the blue line, I've been buying. So blue line is previous week's low. This is my indicator. If you want access, send me a message, send me a DM on Telegram or Twitter. So I've been buying every time we had dips, and it's been working pretty well. So I'm going to continue doing that until it stops working. But if you just zoom out, right, finite asset, dollar weakening, massive uptrend. I would like to think it will go higher. Never know, but I'd like to think about it. Right, S&P 500, all-time highs. We've broken through them. Now, I have zero edge whatsoever in trading macro global indices and S&P and gold. I'm just doing stuff that works, like with gold buying dips. S&P 500 generally has worked buying dips, right? Nobody can really argue with that. Just you have to look on a long enough time horizon. Yeah. So I'm definitely not buying any stocks. If anything, I might take profits. But given we have pierced through the all-time highs, maybe you just hold on, right? You don't want to be fading strength. Maybe you just hold on to your stocks and you might just grind up higher, right? So yeah, super strong equities. I think in my videos saying I'm buying these dips here, and I was buying. So what I've bought down here, I'm holding now. And a lot of my stocks are up a lot. Like I'm holding Nvidia. It's up like 70-80% from the lows. I'm holding Coinbase, Robinhood, Microsoft, the usual suspects. I think some Meta as well, the usual stuff. Right, now crypto. So Hyperliquid, I think it's a good price to be buying these dips on Hype. I think I think these prices are pretty good. And I kind of like this hype long DYDX short pair trade. If you just look at it, it's been performing exceptionally well. And yeah, I think it's still a pretty good level to be buying. Too long hype, short DYDX, pair trade should go pretty well. And yeah, like on our account now, I just checked the stats. So we're net long $20K overall. So slight long exposure, which kind of is in line with what I like about the markets. Pretty low leverage, 1.5x leverage. So I need to, I'm going to have to start scaling things up. I know I've said that in my last video, but I've literally just arrived yesterday. I was traveling for the weekend. And I don't want to be completely out the zone, out the time zone, out without my laptop with increased risk. So I need to play that smartly. But that is something, again, it's on my mind. And otherwise, we'll just keep on accumulating the P&L. We'll try and get to 100K. If we are to get to 100K, I need to size things up significantly. So when and if opportunities arise, which I think are like really good, I'm gonna take them. Well, I'm at least in hindsight, it will be easy to see that I should have taken them, but I'm gonna try and take them in real time. So that's it. Quick update for you guys. Hopefully you found it useful. I still think the trade now is long BTC, short altcoins, as it has been for a while, for like a couple of years now. And yeah, if you like this content, I would appreciate a like, a thumbs up to help me push out the content to the YouTube algorithm, because I think my content is pretty boring, but it's realistic. Whereas a lot of everyone else just makes fun content on trading, but doesn't actually show you them properly trading. It's just you gambling and them gambling. So I would appreciate any support you guys can show. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next upload. Peace.